So this cat is just so fun. Great meeting you, sadly. Oh, really? Is that true, Steve? I understand though, like I understand. It's okay. I know you're busy. So, like, it's all good. I'm just even happy. Even if, just today, just in talking to you, getting to know you, you seem like a pretty awesome person. And yeah, and hardworking. So I wouldn't think twice if you didn't. Well, maybe I might think a little bit, but I won't think too crazy because I know you're just working hard if you're not here. Her name's Opal. You know Opie? She's so cute. Opal, so Opal, like the stone. It's like it's a type of gem. She kind of does look like a Gerald. Oh, precious. Aw, thank you. I appreciate you. I hope I feel better soon too. But oh, I don't want to leave because I don't want to see you again. But it's okay. You guys hear her purring? Anyways, I don't want to sound too, clingy or too cringy. Bye. I hope so too. Okay, guys. Oh. Thank you for the white roses. Fun fact, actually very, very fun fact. White roses are my favorite type of flower. They're actually like my favorite type of flower. Like if you're gonna get, like those are my favorite types. So just guys, if you're gonna get me flowers, just make sure it has to be white roses. Specifically white roses, okay? White roses. Okay. Why do I look sad? I'm a sad person. So wait. Yes. Okay. Can you please try your please try a dirty Alani, please. So again, I'll tell you. Fill the cup with ice all the way. Add the Alani with a splash of creamer. Mix it up. Has to be the dairy creamer. It can't be like almond creamer, it can't be that stuff. It has to be the real stuff. Your stomach can handle it, right? Oh, my little nugget. Look at my little nugget.